So guys, last year Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus was almost a perfect tablet in many ways and actually was kind of better than the iPads of the world. And this time with the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra, Samsung has kicked things up a notch. Quite literally. So today we will take a look at what this monster has to offer and many other things about this beast. Also guys, if you are enjoying this video, then make sure to subscribe to the channel. So this is how the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra will look like. This is by far the most bezel-less tablet ever made, but that comes with its own compromises. The notch is back. Because the bezels were so dang small, Samsung had to bring back the notch to integrate the selfie camera and the rest of the sensors. 2021 seems to be a good year for notches. It is still alive on the iPhones, it is back on Samsung tablets and is also now introduced on the MacBook Pros. But at least the notch is not very deep, so it will only take up the space of the time bar. However, the issues will arrive if you like to hold your tablets in portrait direction. Then it will be a big pain in ass and a big inconvenience. The display, however, is the best and the biggest to be ever fitted on a tablet, as the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra has a 14.6 inches of OLED display with a resolution of 2960 x 1848 and that with a refresh rate of 120Hz. So this is quite literally one of the most beautiful displays you will ever see. This is also a laptop grade display and it is actually bigger than average laptop displays, which is 14 inches. But I still wish that Samsung didn't go for the extreme bezel-less design because that led us to the notch. The tab is also extremely small with the thickness of only 5.4 mm. 5.4 mm is mad. Not even smartphones are this slimmer. I think the slimmest smartphone ever made was 2-3 more mm slimmer. The slimness will indeed make it feel like the most premium product Samsung has ever made, but I am afraid about its rigidity. I have heard rumors of the Tab S7 Plus bending a little and that only had a thickness of 5.8 mm. So I hope that this is more rigid than what the 5.4 mm makes me believe, because I would hate for this $1000 plus tab to bend. At the back we still get dual cameras of 13 plus 5 megapixel with a flashlight. There is an area for the S Pen to be stored, Samsung logo, some antenna lines. On the right hand side we have the volume rockers and the power button. We have then quad speakers on top and the bottom, and also a USB-C charging port for the 12,000 mAh battery which sports the new Samsung 45-watt charger. But sadly the headphone jack is still not present. The tab is also supposed to have Snapdragon 898 with up to 12GB of RAM and 512GB of storage. Let me know guys your thoughts about the Tab S8 Ultra. It's undoubtedly a monster, but I just wish that there was a little bit bigger bezel instead of the notch. Hit the like button if you want the Tab S8 Ultra. You can also say hi to me on the socials, and guys, thanks for watching.